Hayi ngicela.
Awusikhosana siyakubingelela.
Yeah.
Sikhosana mbani?
Kusana yimi.
Sikhosana
Yeah.
Salvanani guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Ibizo lami ngingu BYO. This is me. BYO, please. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay. So what happened is we posted some questions on Instagram. Lapha sibuza khona abantu ukuthi majiba yiziphi izinto ezenziwa nguchair elingazithandiyo elizizondayo. So amajita akhulumile.
Yeah, the men have spoken.
The gents, the gentlemen have spoken. So sizolikhuza lapha. Bosses. Okunye kuyatshintsheka. Kodwa okunyakushintsheke
but anyway, stay sitho nje.
We move, bruh.
Yeah, all right. So, number 1, oqala uthe large shoe size. Oqala uthe izicathulo ezinkulu.
Umfazi mangabe ngo-size 6 kusiya phansi.
7.
Bafowethu.
Hey bafowethu.
Bafowethu.
Right. Sweet. Next. Asking me how another gent or guy is doing. Mbuzo.
It's 3 a.m. 3 a.m. in the morning.
Mbuzo kuthiwa.
How is Jahalezansi doing?
Ngihlolela mina manje. Sengamcina kudala. Yazi ukuthi unjani?
Kachi, ezinye bempostile phela status on WhatsApp laphana lamajita I want to post ngena the ladies. Sekubuzwe.
Unjani? Next,
we move.
Next one, always wanting me to introduce her to my friends.
Wabana. Shit.
Someone who speaks unnecessarily loudly.
Fazolo msindo.
Like ngila. Ow. When ula. Like la.
La. Hi. Asili.
Like khuluma khona, anti ngikhona, anti nilapha.
Mfana.
So kuyabla eliwa.
One of fighting, innit?
Fazonge hala secret.
One of fighting, innit?
Yes man.
On my British accent. It's Tuesday, innit? I can kuluma.
Wenza njalo mase ucela green card.
Do you want me to kuluma?
Eh?
Do you want me to kuluma?
Ngikhuluma.
Sawubona, innit?
Yes man. Kuza.
We move.
I'm a girl myself, but OCC abadlisa amadoda. Thola indoda sigqoke likasisi. Ile what is G-string?
G-string.
Yeah.
Like ngicelani ukuba o topic imbijana like ngilombuzo ngizawuphendula kuma comments. Like into engiyazi ukuthi bonga ngene toilet. Uhlikihle ngetissue. No guys, no. Let's be serious. Ngongena toilet, uhlikihle ngetissue. We're not Indians ascares it in a mass look like we shang tissue.
So wipe.
Meaning ukuthi 98% yabo uhlikihle yebo, but that 2% yabona indawo. Indawo.
Ocheri abadlala hard to get. Yay.
I feel like these days ayikunzima bafethu. Kubi.
Eniyabona uRaf uzima. Inkomo idlichapisi. Inkomo kuRaf, inkomo idlichapisi. Inkomo idlichapisi kuRaf. Noma ngathi inkomo idlibhabrugam ke. kuRaf bafethu kunzima.
How to get is not a bad thing, but akube lama stages. Stage 1 swing ngiyazwisisa kusasenzima lapha uzangiphendula after 2 days, it's fine, but we move phela stage 2 like not ukuthi sesiku stage 5 yonke into isi sharp, yonke into right, sesijayelene swantunya suthwasile umthetho yawazi umkhubo yawazi. I'm not saying I'm controlling anyone. Indlela esikhuluma ngayo guys. I'm not
ungathi soku 5 usibisela ku 1
ungathi sesiku 5 usibisele ku 1
motor bani ithi 5 1
ihle ku 1 hard to get yebo but be chincha magia
maybe babe ngasakufuna
ilokithi iyoziphela
lockdown
iyoziphela
babe ngasakufuna who thinks a girl who thinks every new guy is in her DMs a girl who thinks every new guy who is in her DMs uyamfuna yena emuvi rest
hey like let's ignore the movie part
hayi ukuba movie lo asekungeni
but guys asiyo wonke umjito ongena ku DM yakho ukufunayo of course yakufuna of course yakufuna but asiyo wonke umjito ongena ku DM yakho ukufunayo abanye bancoma khonoko kuncomayo abanye ba react to ama jokes like
isimo semvelo abanye
it's not every gent ebona onjani ofuna tayi kwenzani nxa ingaka siya phumkela
inga asazi
anyways guys thank you very much for watching this video.
Siyabonga kakhulu for watching.
Tell us what you think. This was our first time doing this thing of sitting down and what
and talking
like
and
it's okay ukuthi likhuluma iqiniso hayi chaza hayi
so
it's okay like we understand so that we know ukuthi are we coming back or why not
but still ubukeli so that ATV
so subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share the link on your WhatsApp status. Tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends
and tell their friends
to tell another one that the Ndebele boys are in town. So we are on YouTube. Ndebele YouTube. And time is key like I know you guys speaking Ndebele.
We need to speak in English.
Yeah, you need to speak in English. What? How can I speak in English?
I'm British.
How can I speak English when I'm not English? Siyabonga guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Selithanda.
Blue 11.